Hello guys, what's up to you guys? It's your girl Esther. So we have come again today. Today this page is all about movie reviews. Yeah, and lots more. So today talk on this movie. Yeah, When Love Prays is a new movie produced by 𝐈𝐭'𝐬. Okay, and my favorite actress is in the movie Uche Montana, Mama G for general. You can imagine the movie. So the movie is about religious crash because it's not mainly talking about culture, but it focuses more on religion. It's about two religions, Islamic and Muslim, Islamic and Christians. So Uche Montana, on the other hand, display the character of Christians like an 𝐈𝐭'𝐬 with Mama G Hamon. This is what is actually happening right now in our country. Or should I say generally, it's happening now, religions crash, that's what I call it. But the name is When the Love Prays. What am I saying, Esther? So the 𝐈𝐭'𝐬 fall in love with a Muslim guy. Okay, she didn't just see a Muslim guy, even though the parents was warning her not to, their faith is not the same, the religious is not. 𝐈𝐭'𝐬, that is Uche Montana plays the role of 𝐈𝐭'𝐬. 𝐈𝐭'𝐬 sees beyond. Okay, she loved Hamzan is the guy, the Muslim guy, because she sees beyond just a religion. The guy is kind, is patient. For example, something that you have prayed for all your life as a lady, the kind of man you have prayed for, God give me this type of particular man, and when you see that particular man, it's just because of religion differences. So Uche Montana could not let go. She couldn't see herself loving another person. I mean the 𝐈𝐭'𝐬, sorry, because she played the role of 𝐈𝐭'𝐬. So Usman acted as Hamza, and his father is the chief imam of the community. You can imagine why 𝐈𝐭'𝐬 father is Pastor Enoch, the pastor of a community church, and her mother Mama G, that is Mama Grace in the movie. So what am I trying to say? You can imagine two high, they are not commoners, a pastor and the chief imam, and the son and the daughter love each other. It wasn't easy, but they fought for the love. Yeah, even when it was difficult, because 𝐈𝐭'𝐬 is the only child. Even when it was difficult for them, they fought. And also, in a family when you have a beautiful sister, Zinab, I love that girl. She played her role very well. Zinab, that is Hamza's sister. She played a very special role because she helped in everything, even when the union wasn't blessed or wasn't approved. Zinab was there for them. That's a true sister. Yes, that's a true sister. And I think she loved her brother's happiness. Yeah, she cherished her brother's happiness, and then that's why she also loved 𝐈𝐭'𝐬. So these two, they come together. They try talking to their parents that the religions is just that the same God. According to 𝐈𝐭'𝐬, when he was telling his father that it's the same God, just different languages and different way of praying to that God. But then the father doesn't believe it, that we call them unbelievers. The two, you should go and watch the movie. Everything that happened, they still stand for each other. It's a very funny. Should I say some part was very, very funny, interesting, especially from Mama G, where there's a scene that was very, very actually is the part that she said that the boss asked her to go for a trip, a 3 days trip with him. The mother kabash. Oh my goodness, no, you need to go and see this movie, okay? So they fought for the love, and they got wedded. They did court wedding without their both parents' approval, and that's when they disowned them, and their love was still big because they find peace. They move on with their life. Hamza didn't stop 𝐈𝐭'𝐬 from serving her God in the way that she can, like a Christianity calling God, Jesus, praying in our Igbo tune. In the other hand, 𝐈𝐭'𝐬 did not stop Hamza from praying the Quran. She even helped him when they are fasting to wake up and make sure that he prepares something for him to. I don't know, like it's in that movie. It's just trying to tell us that the religious or no religious, we are one. We are created by one God, and then we can still live together in this society as one. We don't need to drag all these religions of a thing. Yeah, this is the living God. This one is this. We don't need to drag that. That is just one God, but in different cultures and languages we use to praise Him. Okay, that's what the movie is trying to tell. So do you need to go see it? Whoever tried, they put a lot of effort into producing that movie, and I love the movie. It educates us about God, about religions, about being one, about living as one, and living in peace. Okay, because if we should learn to live in peace, I think the world will be a better place for everyone. Try, everyone in that movie, try. Kudos to you guys. So it's actually a nice movie. You should go and watch it. Okay, if you have watched it, comment down like something that interested in the movie, what the movie is about to you. You should comment it down below. And if you haven't watched it, go to 𝐈𝐭'𝐬 TV and watch it. Okay, I'll come back. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hey, don't forget to follow this page. Okay, follow this page and like. Please share for us. Share. Bye bye.